We've got some bombshells dropping this week in cruise news. We have cruise lines playing musical chairs with your bookings. Deals so good they feel illegal. A brand new spine tingling theme cruise. And some genuinely shocking news about several passengers who were detained in paradise. All this and more. Let's swan dive right into it. Hello, everyone. It's Cynthia, your host. Welcome back to today's show. Well, in today's show, we have four cruise news stories, and some of them just boggle your mind. You think, are you for real? And others, you're like, wow, which that was me. Let's dive right into it. Our first story takes us over to Celebrity Cruise Line. We're talking about the Celebrity Millennium and the email that some passengers got asking, are your plans flexible? What does that even mean? When I've booked a cruise, my plans are a little less flexible because I'm about to be on your cruise ship for several days. Well, this is what they meant coming from Celebrity Millennium. Well, apparently, for some very favored or maybe not so favored passengers aboard an upcoming sailing on Celebrity Millennium, this is what they meant when they asked them, are their plans flexible? Because the cruise line is offering some pretty wild incentives if you're able to change your sailing. We're hearing offers like a full refund plus a whopping 200% future cruise credit if you're willing to cancel your booking, or in some cases, the option to move to a similar sailing a year later, get half your money back, and score an onboard credit. This is typically how cruise lines manage capacity, especially if the ship is overbooked or they need to do some type of reposition. So if you're on the Celebrity Millennium, check your inbox. It could be a major win for you or a big inconvenience, but either way, it's shaking things up. This email would make me pretty nervous, especially if I didn't want to change my cruise plans. Maybe my plans are not flexible. I would be extremely concerned that am I about to have a cruise at all? But the email states, don't worry if your plans aren't flexible. The cruise is not getting canceled and they can just ignore the email if they want to proceed with their original sailings. Just to give you a little bit more detail, I'm going to read the offers just as they are written. Option one, you switch to a similar Celebrity Millennium cruise in March of 2027. They'd get half their money back from their current booking, plus a $200 non refundable onboard credit for their room. Now, if they've already paid for the entire trip, that 50% refund on the original fare, well, it turns into a 50% discount on the new cruise. Option two, you get a full refund for their current booking and a huge 200% future cruise credit to use on another celebrity cruise. This means they get all their money back and then double that amount in credit for a future trip. Now, these move over offers, that's what they're called in the cruise world. They're pretty common if the cruise line needs to do that maneuvering, if they've oversold or they need to do some type of repositioning or maintenance to the cruise ship. People all over things like Reddit and social media were trying to guess, why would they be doing this, offering such a sweet deal to change your cruise? There's something going on. And guests came up from everything from seeing like cherry blossoms to some kind of big group has bought out the cruise ship at that time. They're not letting us know. I would love to know, what would be your guess? Why would you think that the cruise line would ever offer such a great deal? What do you think they've got hidden up their sleeve? I would love to hear your comments about this, especially if you are a celebrity cruiser and you got this email. What are your plans? Are you switching or nope, you're standing fast? You're holding on to your cruise. We'd love to hear. Drop it down in the comments below. Being a travel agent, I see all different types of really great deals come across our desk. Sometimes we understand, that cruise ship doesn't have enough people on it. They're offering some last minute great deals, or oh wow, they must really want to sell that one out for some particular reason. And we see these really great deals come up our way. People said after the pandemic there weren't great cruise deals. That's just not true. And Carnival right now is offering one of those incredible cruise deals. We're talking about $1 upgrades and $49 per person deposits. That's right, you heard me correctly. Carnival is currently running an incredible save and sale promotion featuring deposits as low as $49 per person and $1 cabin upgrades. Yes, you could potentially snag an ocean view or even a balcony for just one extra dollar. It's Carnival's way of celebrating the opening of their brand new Celebration Key private island, which, by the way, if you haven't seen my last video on that, go watch that one right after this video. Now, this does mean major savings for you. You have to remember that there are certain rules and stipulations, and these deals never last long. This sale will end on July 26th, so just a few more days to get these booked and secured. The $49 deposits are good for all cruises that are 2 to 9 days in length, with a few exceptions. The exceptions are sailings to Alaska, Europe, and also not on the 3 Excel class ships. So that would be the Mardi Gras, the Celebration, and the Jubilee. For all of those cruises and sailings, they are 10 plus days in length. Cruise deposits will be $149 per person. This offer is good on new bookings from July 22nd through July 26th of 2025. If the cruise price drops after you are booked, you are automatically shifted over into that lower fare. Now, of course, for all of the complete terms and the complete conditions for this, please do contact, of course, Carnival Cruise Lines. You can contact me, your favorite travel agent, or any one of your travel advisors to get all of the information. Does this tempt any of you to book a Carnival cruise? Some people say Carnival never. Some people say Carnival always. And then we have a lot that are in between. They shift no matter what. These are some really great deals. I would love to know your thoughts on this. If any of you need help booking this, or if you've already snagged this deal, please do drop it down in the comments below. Next, we're headed over to Virgin Voyages, and we have this fantastic mystery going on with their first ever themed true crime cruise. This is going to be exciting. So prepare to have your mind officially blown because Virgin Voyages is doing something truly unprecedented in the cruise industry. Virgin Voyages, which we all know, is known for breaking that mold, but they're doing it again with their first ever themed true crime cruise. If you're a fan of podcasts like My Favorite Murder, Case File, or Dateline, this is your dream vacation. This cruise is going to take place aboard the Valiant Lady coming up October of 2025. It will be a 5-night cruise headed over to the Caribbean. You're going to have some immersive experiences with live podcast recordings from iHeart Podcasts, hit shows like Betrayal and Buried Bones. You'll have the opportunity to do some meet and greets with true crime hosts. There will be workshops on how to do podcasts and even some themed cocktail and cuisine inspired by famous cases. They're even going to tie this, of course, it's October, into Halloween with some spooky costume contests and different takes on their menu. This should be quite exciting. Now, as I stated, this will be departing on October 10th out of Miami on the Valiant Lady. This is a 5-night itinerary sailing into Puerto Plata in the Dominican Republic and then Virgin's Beach Club at Bimini in the Bahamas. Remembering that Virgin Voyages is an adults-only cruise line, you can capture a booking directly through Virgin Voyages website where the prices start at $1,702 per cabin for double occupancy. And remember, Virgin Voyages, well, this is more of an all-inclusive kind of cruise experience. With that, you're going to get things like drinks, Wi-Fi, and there's no quote-unquote specialty dinings. All of their dining is like specialty. That all comes as part of the price of your cruise package. You can call Virgin directly, or of course, you can come to myself or any other experienced travel agent to help you get this booked. Who knew that solving mysteries could be so relaxing, or so spooky, or so much fun on the high seas? What do you think about Virgin Voyages doing this? Is true crime something that you're into, that you enjoy watching? Would you book this cruise? I would love to hear your thoughts. Drop it down in the comments below. We have one more cruise news story, but before I get to it, I'm taking this opportunity to invite you to subscribe. Come join the Right Recipe for Travel Cruise family. We have a really great time, some fun things going on in our Facebook group, on our TikTok page, and during all of our lives, which are usually on Tuesday. So if you'd like to be a part of the family, and we would love to have you, all you have to do is tap down on that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you a thing, and it helps us out tremendously. Also, give us a like if you like our videos and tap down on that notification bell. That way, when new videos come out, you will be one of the first to know. Of course, I'm asking you, please, to share this with anyone that you think would enjoy cruise news, enjoys cruising and travel adventures. We are on a mission for 10,000 subscribers before the end of this year, and I think we can do it. Well, I know we can do it with your help. So, thank you in advance to all of my subscribers. All right, let's move on to that last cruise news story that just kind of makes you shake your head and go, really? Unfortunately, it's another one of the cruise news stories that makes headlines for all of the wrong reasons. Before I get into it, I'm just going to let you know this is a reminder that no matter where we are, we might be US citizens or citizen of whatever country you're traveling from, you need to adhere to the laws of the land wherever you are on board that ship and wherever you stop. You still need to adhere to the law. Well, some people, they didn't get that memo. We've received reports that 4 US cruisers have been detained in Bermuda on possible smuggling charges of illegal substances. Authorities in Bermuda stated that these individuals, who were on a Carnival cruise ship, were found with a significant quantity of illegal substances. There are things like cannabis and even something tonal, starts with a car. Yeah, it says it's an incredibly dangerous substance and it's often used to tranquilize elephants. Cruise lines, including Carnival, have a strict zero tolerance policy. This is a serious situation and it just highlights the importance of being aware and responsible when traveling internationally. The suspects were also accused of possessing vape pens and suspected THC gummies. The suspects have been arrested, but right now we don't have further details on the status of this case. And one last reminder to always check your local travel regulations to see what is legal and what's not legal before you get there, because ignorance is never an excuse for breaking the law. I'm not quite sure that ignorance is what happened here. We don't know. But you just remember, if you're caught there, you can and you will be arrested if you're doing something illegal. Being a passenger on a cruise ship doesn't stop that. Well, that is it for the cruise news today. I would love to get some feedback on these stories. Maybe even that last one. Is it just me? I think that, don't we know better? I always hear about people trying to smuggle things in on cruise ships, and I think, why? But some people consider fun a lot different than what I consider fun. I would love to know your thoughts on any or all of these cruise stories. Drop it down in the comments below. Thank you so much for joining us, and we will catch you again at the next adventure.